You didn't know what could cause damage to Mr. Depp's hand while you were there on March 8th, correct?
Dr. Kipper told me he'd sustained an injury on one of his fingers.
Objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Oh,
Next question.
okay.
Shades. Okay. There's this light coming across.
I appreciate that.
Has to be a
It's
little
probably
more
good light.
Problem, Johnny.
Objection calls for hearsay. Bruh. What the
A
doctor?
different question, Mr. Depp.
Yes. Let's let him object to another one. For him to cook. That's hearsay, I guess.
I'm not just sure it's offered for the truth of the matter asserted.
He got it.
Okay, all right, well then.
I'm learning.
There you go.
Let me put it a different way. He'd had a conversation with Ms. Heard.
Hearsay, Your Honor.
Let's move beyond the
All right, let's move
conversation
on.
that
Certainly.
Kevin Murphy had with Ms. Heard.
He said, yes, they had. Okay. And it appears that Ms. Heard had told...
Hearsay, Your Honor.
I'm not sure.
This is apparently a statement by Ms. Heard.
That he
described to Ms. Heard that...
I'll move to strike this as hearsay, Your Honor.
All right, I'll do that. Next.
And I appreciate.
Sorry, it's evidence.
Hearsay.
I believe he said he showed him.
Yes, yes, I looked at papers. Maybe they're hearsay papers. I don't know.
I believe he was being shown financial documents.
All right, so, well,
Sean Bailey, who was the number 3.
Objection, hearsay.
I don't know yet. I'll overrule it at this point.
Thank you.
May I continue, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Just basically said in the...
Objection, hearsay.
Your
What
Honor,
Sean Bailey said.
this is about him
It's in
learning
an
about this. It's
article.
not for the truth.
It is the truth. She's
If
asking.
you want to approach.
Please explain to the jury who Sean Bailey is. I think you were starting to.
Yes, I'll try again. Sean Bailey was quoted as saying that...
Objection, hearsay.
Mr. Depp, where was Sean Bailey quoted, without getting into what he was quoted as saying? Do you recall when specifically you made that statement about the $300 million and the 100 alpacas?
Objection, asked and answered.
Overruled, I'll allow it.
And when he came home from school...
Your Honor, I'm just going to object on relevance. The question was, who was this about?
Yeah, we can move on.
Okay.
Okay. Where she could be
Objection beyond the
photographed.
scope of the question, Your Honor.
Sorry?
I believe he was responding to what he meant by what he wrote in his text
And
message
then
to
he said I
Dr.
meant exactly what the word said, and now he's going beyond.
All
the
right, I'll
scope.
sustain the objection. Next question.
Thank you, Mr. Rottenborn.
Your
Sir,
Honor,
if you could just answer the question, Mr. Depp, please.
Certainly,
Direct your
certainly.
attention just to your attorney, okay?
Sorry, Your Honor. I once gave Marilyn Manson a pill so that he would stop talking so much. Sorry.
All right.
Sorry.
All right. This was a document that you signed as part of your divorce proceedings, correct?
That's my signature indeed, yes.
10 seconds later.
Mr. Depp, that is your signature on the right, correct?
Yes, it is.
Dated August 15th, 2016, right?
That's what it says, yes.
And this is you were this is a document you signed, right?
For the third time, that is my signature, yes,
You
sir.
go to paragraph 27, please.
A few moments later.
And that was a document you signed in August of 2016, correct?
Is that the same one that I signed 3 times before? Yes,
Yeah.
that's the fourth.
Well, I wanted to make clear that you
You've
signed
made it
that in
clear.
the summer of 2016. Did I read that right?
You certainly did, yes, sir.
Did I read that right?
You certainly did, yes.
12 seconds
Did I
later.
read that right?
Yes, you did.
Did I read that right?
You did.
Did I read that right?
You did.
Did I read that right?
You did, sir.
One eternity later.
Did I read that right?
You continue to read them right, yes.
And you were drinking pretty heavily.
Were you there?
It's my question to you, sir.
No, I wasn't drinking that heavily.
We
I
can.
mean,
Let's turn to the UK
it's
116,
definition,
please.
what you define as heavily, sir.
I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury. I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury.
Sorry, could you read that again?
Okay, and a very different thing from what you texted Paul Bettany, correct?
Again.
Okay, so it's entitled Johnny Depp, Friends and Family Seriously Concerned About Him, Here's Why.
Yes.
Correct.
How did they know?
The next article from May, did I read that right?
You did, reportedly.
The next
These are
article,
all hit
also
pieces.
from May
These
10,
are drags,
2017.
sir.
Mr.
This
Depp,
is a pathetic attempt.
Mr. Depp, please just respond to the question that I'm asking you.
What's your
The next
question, Mr.
question,
Rottenborn?
the next document, did I read that right?
You read that very, very well.
The next one, Hollywood Reporter, did I read that
Allegedly
correctly?
Reports say, this is hearsay. is
June
it not?
21st,
Your
2018,
favorite
6 months before the op-ed was published, used an earpiece on a film set.
I think that was
I
explained
read
in
that
court the
correctly?
other day. Oh, you did, yeah.
Did I read that correctly?
You did. Who's Alison Boshoff and how does she know?
Mr. Depp, you can't name
Oh, it
a
won't
single
answer that, I see.
actress.
Based on the
We'll just take a look at the
accusations
next
that she
exhibit, Mr.
brought.
Depp.
I'm sorry, I was talking. Is that all right?
You'd answer my question. We'll take a look at the next exhibit. Thank you.
yeah. As long as you're happy, sir. As long as you're happy, sir. No.
You can't say that you carried cocaine in that box?
No, but it looks like it would fit some cocaine.
You've been off of alcohol for 18 months. You testified to that. Remember giving that testimony?
Yes.
That's just nonsense, right? We've already looked at
Thank you.
May 2014, and yesterday you texted. I'm sorry. We've seen a lot of texts today.
It's all right. I did take someone yesterday.
Yesterday, you testified. Actually, defendants. So, they're both 380. So, take your pick. So, we'll get it to you. How about that?
Oh, joy. Okay. All right. Three, somebody's, we're going to go with plaintiff's 380 right now, okay? Try to keep the record clear. 380A and 33, 234. Okay, go ahead.
You may have been drunk in that video, correct?
There's a possibility of that, yes, sir.
You poured yourself a mega pint of red wine, correct?
A mega pint.
Yeah.
I poured myself a large glass of wine.
Right.
I thought it necessary. I was drinking.
You were drinking pretty heavily.
Were you there?